Tired of wrestling with cables just to share your amazing Nikon D3500 photos? Let's untangle that frustration. Today, we're unlocking the Bluetooth magic of the Nikon D3500, making photo sharing and even remote camera control a breeze. The key to this superpower is Nikon SnapBridge App. So, Step 1, download and install SnapBridge on your smartphone or tablet from your device's app store. Once installed, turn on your Nikon D3500, navigate to the setup menu. It's usually represented by a wrench icon. Scroll down until you find the Bluetooth option and select it. Now, choose pairing. Your camera is now discoverable. Open the SnapBridge app on your phone or tablet. It should automatically detect your Nikon D3500. Select your camera from the list. The app will display a pairing code. Make sure this code matches the one displayed on your Nikon D3500 screen. If they match, tap yes on your camera and confirm the pairing within the app. Now that you're paired, you can automatically transfer photos from your camera to your phone as you shoot. Go into SnapBridge options and set your preferences for automatic downloads. But wait, there's more. SnapBridge also lets you remotely control your camera. Access the remote control feature from within the app. This allows you to use your phone as a shutter release, perfect for group photos or tricky angles. And there you have it. You've successfully unlocked the Bluetooth capabilities of your Nikon D3500. Say goodbye to those pesky cables and hello to seamless photo sharing and remote control. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Nikon D3500 tips and tricks. Happy shooting!